Hello again. Welcome to our series of short videos presenting journey tracking commands. My name is Michael, and I'm a developer working on Genesys Web Messaging SDK. This is video number 2, and we're going to have a look at the record command. This command is used to post custom web events. These events are a great way to provide additional context beyond just the information about which pages the visitor has viewed. To use a metaphor here, our page view events are bread and butter, while custom web events are different toppings that can go on a sandwich. These can be, for example, button clicks or a visitor opening a section in an accordion container, adding a product to a basket, or a visitor spending more than 2 minutes on the page, if that's important for you to know. The two common usages of record command is to send an event without or with custom attributes. We're going to have a look at both. So again, what you can see on the screen, left-hand side is our demo site, right-hand side is live now and actual representation of our journey. So first things first, we can issue record command. We're going to type the keyword Genesys, then command journey recording. If I were to issue the command like this, what we'll see is that the event name is an attribute that's required. So in order to pass attributes, I'm going to use event name. And here, let's use button click. We use underscores here, which will be replaced by white space on the agent side. So here, I posted a button clicked event. As you can see, button click. If I wanted to add some extra custom attributes, I would use custom attributes property, which is in itself a flat map between key and value pairs. Keys are basic strings, for example. Property and values can be some primitive values, such as numbers, strings, or Boolean. Here we're gonna post an event with the prop value. So again, property, prop value, post. So what this can be used for example, our demo site is configured now to not show the web messaging icon. The icon visibility is set to on demand. So it will show up only once we qualify for web messaging interaction. So here we have a button. If we click through different pages, you can see on the home page, this one changes to chat now. So for example, if someone clicks the chat now button, we want to actually present them with the chat. So let's have a look at that button. Make the inspector a bit bigger. We can see the button ID is media button, and the only text it has is just chat now. So let's use jQuery just to speed things up a bit. Media button. This is the right button. Yeah, that's the right one flashing up. Let's clear this up, and we're going to take off any of the previous listeners because there may be many, and we'll add quick listener. This is a function. So first thing in the function, we'll try to grab the text of the button being clicked. TXT variable constant, we're going to assign, so this is the button that was clicked, and text will read the actual text. Only if TXT equals chat now, we will do something, and that something will be us. So sending issuing a record command that will send our event. Journey record, and here event name is chat no button clicked. So if I set up the listener this way, I have an action map that as soon as this event is posted, as soon as that event with that name is posted, it will produce a chat interaction. So let's see. I'm going to click on the chat now button. Again, the actual event is posted. Should wait a few seconds. Yeah, the interaction is presented. We can begin chat interaction. We're going to have a look at this chat now button click. That's the event being posted. And if I click on call us now button, this isn't posted again. If I go back, you can see every click will produce an event. The chat action map will only once per session produce us with an action. So yeah, that's it. So another use case we can maybe implement is, for example, if you have an online shop and your visitors are adding products to their baskets, you want to track the moment when the product is added, and along that you might want to track the product name, maybe some additional information like code, price, quantity, anything. So here on the home insurance, you can see we're selling home insurance. And for us, the important thing is a zip code. So a visitor enters their zip code, and we can then click on the purchase now button. So let's have a look at that button. So the button is purchase now home insurance. So that's the idea of it. So again, let's have a quick look. This is the right button, and there aren't many others. So no, it's just one. So yeah, let's try take off some of the listeners first, and then add click listener. And this will be a function. And this function, I'm going to grab the value of this input field. So if I inspect this is just a regular text input field with placeholder equal to zip code. So let's do hash. So here we're going to assign it to constant zip code equals, and then here we're going to use this information. So it's an input field with placeholder equal to zip code, and we're going to grab its value. So that's our zip code. Maybe we want to know what the product name is, just to speed things up. I'm just going to grab it from the text, just copy it. So this is home emergency insurance. So yeah, so on that click, I'm going to simply just invoke command, and the command is journey record. Again, event name that's required. What's the product added event? It's one of our special events. Will be a nice icon for it, but add some custom attributes that now have some meaning. So first custom attribute will be zip code. Second one will be product name. So that's our listener setup. So if I click on the purchase now button, hopefully now we can see purchase now product added, and the zip code is equal to what the user has entered, and the product name is again what the product name was. If I were to add something else here, put the purchase now again, another but a different zip code. So you can use these values in segmentation. If you have product codes or product names or prices that are higher, for example, than $500, you want to track. These are your high priority products that you want to sell, and you want to segment these people buying these products. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very brief overview of record command. So yeah, have a look around, see how you get on, and yeah, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.